Hello students, in our previous lecture we have seen some different types of matrices. In this lecture we will see some other types of the matrices. Let's start. The seventh type is scalar matrix. Okay, a diagonal matrix is said to be scalar matrix when its diagonal elements are same. Okay, a diagonal matrix is said to be a scalar matrix when its diagonal elements are same. Okay, in another way we can write aij is equal to 0 if I is not equal to j. This is the case when it's a diagonal matrix, and k if I is equal to j, where k is the scalar. Okay, it will be clear when I will give you an example. Let us say a is equal to 4 0 0 0 4 0 0 0 4. Now just check, it is a diagonal matrix. See, it is a diagonal matrix. Okay, its principal diagonal element is scalar and all its elements are 0. See, it's 0 if I is not equal to j. See here, I is 0 when its I is not equal to j. Okay, and a scalar if I is equal to j. See, it is a11, it is a22, it is a33. Here I is equal to j and 4 is a scalar. Okay, now this is, I think this is clear. Okay, now we will move on to other type of the matrix, and that is a unit or identity matrix. Unit or identity matrix. Now a diagonal matrix is said to be unit or identity matrix if its diagonal elements are equal to 1. If diagonal elements are equal to 1. Okay, now again I am repeating, a diagonal matrix is said to be identity matrix if its diagonal elements are equal to 1. It is a diagonal matrix if its diagonal elements are equal to 1. Okay, let us say this is the case of a diagonal matrix and its diagonal elements are equal to 1 if I is equal to j. Let us take one example: 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. See, it's a diagonal matrix. Okay, how we recognize it? It's the given matrix is a diagonal matrix when its principal diagonal element are non-zero and all other elements are 0. And here the principal diagonal elements are 1, hence it is called as a unit or identity matrix. Okay, let us take another example: a is equal to 1 0 0 1. Here it's also a diagonal matrix and its principal diagonal elements are 1, hence it is called as a unit or identity matrix. Now move on to another type which is singleton matrix. Singleton, from the name itself it is clear that the matrix which has only one element is called as singleton matrix. Having only one element. Okay, let us take one example. A equal to 7, b equal to 6. Okay, now move on to the most important topic. Most important type is triangular matrix. Triangular matrix. Here we have two types: upper triangular matrix. Okay, what is upper triangular matrix? A square matrix in which all elements below the principal diagonal are 0 is called as upper triangular matrix. Let us take one example. A is equal to 3 1 2 3, 0 2 1 2, 0 0 3 1, 0 0 0 4. Now from the definition, a square matrix in which all elements below the principal diagonal elements are 0. What is your principal diagonal element? Principal diagonal is this one, and below the principal diagonal element should be 0. We are seeing the elements below the principal diagonal is 0, hence it is called as upper triangular matrix. यहाँ पे देखिए अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स कब हो रहा है? जब बिलो जस्ट ऑपोजिट प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल का अगर बिलो कोई भी एलिमेंट 0 है, बिलो सारा एलिमेंट अगर 0 है तब वो अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स है, जस्ट ऑपोजिट सोचिएगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट पार्ट वी हैव इट्स जस्ट ऑपोजिट लोअर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स. What is lower triangular matrix? A square matrix in which all elements above the principal diagonal is 0. See, here also it's opposite, lower and above. Okay, let us take an example. A is equal to 7 0 0 4 1 0 2 2 4. Now which is our principal diagonal? This is our principal diagonal, and all the elements above the principal diagonal is 0, hence it is called as lower diagonal matrix. Okay, so this is enough for the today's lecture, and in the next lecture